Hello and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get a domain and hosting for free of cost, and also how you can build a WordPress website right there. So without further ado, I'd like to take you to my computer screen and then I'll show you the rest of the process. So let's check it out. So the first step is we would like to get the domain and hosting first, and then in the second step, we will build the website. So if you want to get the domain and hosting, just come to Google and search Pantheon. Hit enter, you will get this website. Here you will see login button. Once you click on it, it is asking to log in, but we don't have any account at this moment, so we have an option to create a free account. Once I click on it, it is asking to fill up this form, so I'm just typing my name. You have to put your name, and in the email you have to put your email, but I'm not going to use my email. I'm going to use 10-minute mail, but definitely you have to use your personal Gmail or maybe something similar, because in that case you will be able to recover anytime. But I'm making it for tutorial purpose, so I'm going to use this email now. So just put your email here, and after that you have to decide a password. So I'm generating a random password. So this is the website by which I can generate a random strong password. So I'd like to copy this password. This is the password for my Pantheon, and select your country. My country is Bangladesh. You can select your country, check the both, and then create an account. So once you already have an account, click on login with email. So put the email address. This is the password, and this is the email address, this one. So I'm just putting the email address, and once I click login, I have to verify first. So here, let me check the email. If I reload, so I have this email, so I have to verify now. Once I click verify email, it is verified. Now I should be able to log in. Yes, so now here I have to put the email, and for the password I have to put this password here. So after coming to this, it is asking to create a new website. So yes, we'd like to create a new website, so simply click on create new site, and there are different options. So I'd like to go with WordPress. Once I come here, I have to give a name, so I'm putting Shakib, but I think this domain will not be available, so I'm putting Shakib 07 or something. Let's check it out. So just select United States and click continue. So this will be the domain address for me. I have got the domain also. Now it is deploying the WordPress to our hosting. WordPress is installed already, so I have to visit the dashboard now. So once I click on it, it will ask me to go site admin. I click on it. So once I have this, it is asking to select the language. I would like to go with English, so I click on continue. Let's put a site title. You have to select the site title based on your business. The username would be Shakib, and this is the password. Make sure to copy the username and password so that you can log in. So I'm putting here. So I'm just noting down the password. This is the username and this is the password. We will need it when I log in. So put your email address again. This is the email address, and click install WordPress. Done. We are ready to go. Once I click login, now I have to put this password and username. This is the password. Once I click login, we are ready to go now. So we have already got the domain and hosting, and our website is live now. You can share this link to your friends so that they can see your website. This is the domain name now, and you got the hosting by which you can host the website. So after getting this, we'd like to install a theme. So this is basically the second step by which we can build the website. And when I click add new, I'm going to add Astra. I click on it, and then I activate this. It is asking to let's get started with starter template, so I click on it. It is installed and activated. It is asking to go with this or that, so I'd like to go with the templates. I click on this, and now you have an option to select what kind of websites do you want to build. Do you want to build business? Do you want to build local business, personal care, professional? And there are a lot of websites that you can go with. So I would like to go with, let's say, I'd like to go with agency. So from the agency, let's pick a demo. You can pick any of these demos to go with. So for now, let's go with this one, real estate consultant. I click on the demo. I have to upload logo. You can upload your logo. I'm putting my one. This is the logo. I select this, and then you can select the logo width and then click continue. Do you want to have any kind of support about these features? No, I don't want this now. Skip. You have to put your name again, your email. Let's put your email, this one. And I'm a beginner. I would like to go for myself, and make sure all these are checked, and click submit and build the website. It is being installed. Done. The website is ready. So if we view the website now, this is how it actually looks. This is the look of the website. So if you want to go to the service page and edit, you can do it. If you want to go about us page, you can go and edit. If you want to go continue contact page, you can go and edit. So now let me show you how to customize this page. As you can see, we have the logo now. So if you want to go to contact page and edit, just click on edit page. It will give you the option to edit. So once you have clicked on it, you have the editing panel. From here, let's say I'd like to change the location text. So from the location, I'd like to go to maps. And if you want to change the style, let's say I would like to change the text color. From here, let's say I'd like to select red. Can you see it is being changed? For this text, if you want to add other text, you can just add it. Even if you want to change this text color, you can also do it by this process. If you want to change the phone number, just click on it, and then you can change it like this. Same for the address. If you want to change the address, just do it. And from the style tab, you can change the icon. From style here, you can change the color, icon, spacing, and there are a lot of things to edit. So this is how you can change anything. Okay, so for the image, if you click on it, you see this is an option by which you can change the image. If you click change image, you will be able to upload your image. So this is how actually you can make any kind of changes to the site. So after changing everything, you can click update and everything will be changed. If I go to the site now, this is the site. If we visit contact, this is the text we have changed. This is already read. So this is how you can make any kind of changes to the site. So you have to select each and everything based on your business. So this is how you can build your website by absolutely free of cost. So if you like this video and if you think this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like this video so that you can get notified next time. So thank you so much for watching this video.